Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Divya KG, founder, managing director and the chief dermatologist at Avaderma Skin Hair Clinic at Alvapet here in Chennai. Been part of the Quanta family for the last 1.5 years, and I must say they're a great team. They're always there in need. And talking about their machine, owner of 2 of their machines at Avaderma Skin and Hair Clinic. One is the Light EVO for laser hair reduction. The other is the CO2 on the erbium glass hybrid laser called the Youlaser MT. Here we are with the Light EVO machine by the Quanta Systems. As we all know, is a long pulse Nd:YAG machine, and the gold standard for laser hair reduction is the long pulse Nd:YAG, and I vouch for it. And this machine is a very sturdy, effective and a safe machine, and it works the best for thick and coarse hair. Yes, this machine has an inbuilt cooling system and which makes it very comfortable for the patient. So what do patients expect before and after a laser hair reduction? I would say there are 2 sets of patients. One set of the patients who've never done laser hair reduction earlier, they have different expectations, and there's other set of patients who've done a lot of sessions with lot of other laser technologies elsewhere and who've lost the conviction. So when there's a new patient who comes in, it's easier to convince them and they readily sign up, but there's only few expectations from them, like the cost factor, the pain factor, and how much time it would take to do the sessions. Versus the other patients who've come back to us where they've lost the conviction and not happy with the laser hair reduction that's done earlier, are very anxious, and they come and sit in front of you and say, no doctor, the laser is not going to work. With such patients, I don't push them. We normally counsel them. We explain the technology, especially with Quanta. I'm so confident that such patients are going to be extremely happy. I don't push them to take a package. I ask them to take a trial or ask them to take one session, because I'm so sure they'll come back with very happy results. So in my experience, I've seen a lot of clients with hirsutism and PCOS. They've come back to me literally by doing 10 sessions elsewhere. I must say, with the Quanta system Light EVO, the patients have been extremely happy and seeing great results with just 3 to 4 sessions. Usually we recommend is about 6 sessions and later the maintenance sessions, but with just 3 to 4 sessions, we've seen tremendous amount of results and the patients are very happy. This is the Youlaser MT device. This device is a mixed technology laser. It's a combination of the CO2 and the erbium glass laser. You can use both the wavelengths separately or in a combination. So using it in combination makes the results even more enhanced. Like you can use your CO2 standalone or the erbium glass standalone, or you can use a combination of the CO2 along with the erbium glass. The common indications that we normally do the Youlaser MTs on, your various scars. It can be your acne scars, it can be your surgical scars, it can be any traumatic scars, and it can be used for photoaging, anti-aging, pigmentation, to improve skin laxity, and it also is used for wrinkles and fine lines. Yeah, and I have used many other CO2 lasers earlier, and I must say there are so many adverse effects which don't happen with your Youlaser MT. For example, in Chennai, we treat mostly the skin types 4 and above. The chances of PIH is very less with this machine, and also the downtime is reduced. Usually with the other machines, I see a longer downtime, and with this, it's mostly 3 to 4 days. The chances of PIH is lesser, and also the results are visibly seen in 4 to 6 weeks. I would like to thank Quanta for manufacturing such amazing technology devices which are so effective and which are so safe, and I welcome all my clients to come have an experience with these amazing technologies at Avaderma Skin and Hair Clinic.